Hi there, it's Simon here. How are you? We are going to learn Under the Milky Way by The Church today, the Australian classic. We're going to learn both sides of the guitar, so if you haven't really had a good listen to before, do just pause this video, check out the Milky Way, the original Church version. I'll maybe put a link in the description, and have a listen to the left and right guitars. I will see you in a second. Alright, so let's kick it off with the guitar on the left-hand side of the speakers first. It's going to be an A minor. We're in open tuning, regular tuning with no capo. So we're going to hit an A minor, and we're going to go down, down. So that's 1, 2, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then we're going to go and 2. So you get 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, and then we're going to finish it off up, down, up. All right, so we've got, and then we're going to hit an F major 7. You can chuck your thumb over the top here, 3rd and 4th fingers here. There's the chord. All right, and then we're going to do the same thing, same strumming patterns we just had. Down, 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 up, down, and then we're going to switch to a G major. You can do that by going kind of to an alternate sort of fingered G, 3, 2 and 4, if you like, or you can just play a regular G, or that one. The difference there between this and this, you can hear this is a bit fuller. This has got an extra 5th in it, whereas this has got an extra major 3rd in it. If you are interested in that sort of stuff, do check out my little video on music theory and what the numbers in chords mean. All right, now, so the whole thing is going to sound like this: A minor, down, 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 up, down, F major 7. Okay, if you don't want to play that thumb F major 7, you can just play 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 strings, but make sure with your right hand that you're only hitting those 4 strings. All right, very nice. Okay, so that is the verse with the left-hand guitar. Let's talk about the verse with the right-hand guitar. I'm going to be using this G7 ART capo today. Let's see how much it puts the guitar out of tune when I put it on. Tuner. I will also be using this Polytune tuner. I'm a bit sucked into buying this. It looks so pretty. I thought I could, tune all the strings at the same time, which you kind of can. I think it's probably more user error. Pretty close. Pretty close. Bit sharp. See? Always tune with the capo on. Doesn't matter how expensive the capo is. All right, so the chords here are E minor. Right, now you're hearing it, right? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3rd finger goes on the D, which is it's not really a D, it's a G, but you know what I mean. Versus the capo, 3rd fret on the 2nd string. So you get 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and then we can hit C major 7. You could put an extra G in the bass for extra. Then a D major. Okay, so that whole thing is E minor, E minor 7, C major 7, D major. Okay, exactly the same strumming pattern as we had before. As we have the capo on, we're just going to switch straight into the chorus with the capo on. Here it goes G. It doesn't go G, it goes D. C major 7. Back to D. 2 bars are there, 2 bars. And then straight back in to the verse. the first time. Okay, let's take this capo off, see how badly my guitar is out of tune. We have in the chorus with the no capo guitar, I keep saying open, that's wrong with me. Regular tuning, we've got a G. F major, G major, F major, okay, whilst we're here, just quickly, please do subscribe and click the bell for regular notifications of new lessons every week. If you are particularly interested in Aussie stuff, I have another channel called Aussie Guitar Lessons Weekly. Guess what it does? You'll find a whole bunch of Aussie stuff there too. All right, so the bridge where we have the kind of digital saxophone, I don't really know what it is, it's an effect for sure. So there we basically have a C. G, A minor, C, G, A minor. I'm doing exactly the same pattern, so the anticipation of the G in the second bar, the anticipation of the A minor, even though it's just the same chord, if you know what I mean. With the other guitar we get G, D, E minor. That repeats, okay, G, okay, so in terms of the form of the song, we basically get intro, verse 1, verse 2, then we have a chorus, then we have a verse, then we have 2 choruses, then we have the solo, which is the bridge part, then we have a verse, 2 choruses, and it fades out with the verse. Just that. And that is how you play Under the Milky Way Aeroplane by The Church. Thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please do subscribe and click the bell. If you're able to support the channel, you can go to www.patreon.com/Simon Morell, where you can access every single chart I've ever written, over 3,000 charts, which is a lot of charts. So I'll see you next time. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.